friends, you may go on the stage. At this time, make sure we have our gloves put away, our jackets are nicely put on our backpacks. All right, 4th grade, you may stand. 5th grade, please stand. 3rd and 1st grade, please stand. And kindergarten and 2nd.
Good morning, my name is Dalton. Please join me in saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, my name is Antonio. Please join me in saying the Oklahoma flag salute. Attention, salute, pledge.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
Good morning, my name is Darla. Please join me in saying the Liberty School Creed.
I am a liberty elementary student. I show integrity. I do right thing even when no one is watching. I am respectful. I show honor and consideration to others, myself, and my school. I think first. I think before I act and speak. My mistakes are behind me, and my successes are before me. Today I have the courage to be the best that I can be.
Thank you. You may be seated. Good morning. My name is Mariah. Please show me. The word of the month is attitude. Attitude is the way I choose to act and approach any task. Please repeat after me. Attitude is the way I choose to act and approach any task. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Jenna. The quote of the week is, our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us, by Earl Nightingale. Please repeat after me. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. By Earl Nightingale. Thank you.
Thank you, 3rd grade. You may have a seat.
Good morning, Liberty Wildcats! It is Friday morning, and what did it feel like this morning when you came into school today? Oh, it was only about 18 degrees. That's why I opened up a little bit early this morning, because I knew you were very cold. So be listening for an announcement. I had Miss Karen set her alarm so she can make an announcement at 10:30 this morning, because it's going to depend on that wind chill. Remember, we talked about the wind chill and what that is? That's when you take the cold weather and you add the wind with it. It makes it feel colder outside sometimes. So listen for the announcement around 10:30 today, and if that wind chill is warm enough, we'll get to go out. And what does it have to be to go outside? Good, 32 degrees. So be listening for that announcement, all right, boys and girls? Now, it's also what day? Spirit Day. So teachers, please count your students who wore their spirit shirts this morning. Mrs. Cox got up and forgot this morning. I just don't have mine on.
She cheated.
Five, what do we have? Over here we've got 9. 9 and Mrs. McDaniels. All right. Do we have anybody? 9 going once? Twice? Mrs. McDaniels, the reigning champion for Spirit Day on Friday. Let's give them a great big round of applause. Good job, Mrs. McDaniels class there. Always showing spirit. Good job. All right. Okay, let's count down to quiet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, teachers, do you have any announcements or celebrations this morning? Mrs. Reese does.
I have some friends that are really working hard on S2 math, and I want to celebrate those friends. So listen for your names. Stand quiet. Samantha, Axel, Anna, Azra, Kyron, Brooklyn. I have a really long list. I'm so excited. Killian, Anaya, Ruby, Arlo, Annabelle, Jameson, and Elliot. Thanks for working so hard. You're getting smarter every time. Let's give them a fantastic celebration.
I have a teacher shout out. Today I would like you to help me celebrate Mrs. LaRue. She helped take care of me yesterday when I forgot that I needed something pretty important for conferences. So let's give her a You Sparkle, You Shine. You sparkle, you shine, be good all the time. Thank you, Mrs. LaRue.
All right, teachers, if there's no more announcements or celebrations at this time, we'll have our moment of silence. Remember, this is our time to reflect, pray, or just sit quietly. Ready, begin. All right, boys and girls, you have a fabulous Friday. Please watch your teachers for dismissal.